So we know what Facebook Ads Manager is right now. So I'm going to share my screen, Facebook Ads Manager Direct. Right. So this is Facebook Ads Manager. Okay. And from Facebook Ads Manager, all you just have to do is to click create. Once you click create here on Facebook Manager, the next thing you need to do, so I'm not doing this, I'm starting all over from that. The next thing you need to do is to actually go to message objective under concentration, which is very good for WhatsApp. And once you click date, you scroll, you give it an ad. So I call this guy still order or open order. Right. So, and I'm going to test for audiences. So you can test, you might not test, but want to test for audiences. So because ad, it's a matter of test, and see what you want to test. So on the variable here, I'm going to test for audiences. So we created 2 audiences yesterday from Lagos, from Abuja, and also from Owerri too. So I'm going to create for just 2 audiences. You can also test for creative. Creative simply means what picture or videos that resonate better with the people that are viewing the ads. So I'll test for audience and I'll say continue. And from that, then because I've not actually added, I decided not to add WhatsApp for Business to this number, to this, so that you get to know how to actually add the number. So because of that, what I'm going to do that right now. So once I click the WhatsApp from the message here, once I click the WhatsApp, right, and I'll select the page. The page is new live startup. That's what I want to show on the ad. So you can see now, because there's no WhatsApp for Business number that is connected to this. So right now I'm going to type the WhatsApp for Business number. So I assume that you don't also have the WhatsApp for Business number connected to this already. Once you do this once, anytime you want to run ads, it's automatically there for you. So I'll just write the number 928849733. Okay, so I'll click this now. So there'll be a code that should send to this WhatsApp for Business. I just received this right now. So I'll type the 12944. You will receive it on the WhatsApp for Business account. And this is just the way to link WhatsApp for Business to your Facebook page, which I just did now. So now we can move on. So I have this. I have it on this. This is the page that I want to use to run the WhatsApp for Business app. Then we are testing for audiences. Then so because we created the audience yesterday, so here now, instead of trying to select Nigeria this the location, the age, the targeting detail, which we have already done from audience insight yesterday. So I'll just click here now and select those categories. Can you see I call it 3 class, 25 to 50, emo. Then I also have 3 class, 25 to 60. This is men and women. Men will do. This is 25 to 35, Port Harcourt. This is 25 to 35, Abuja. So I will just click, let's start with Port Harcourt. Okay, that's our first audiences. Right, I'll select the another one I want to test for. It's emo. Right, another one that I want to test for. I can test for as many as possible. I want to test for Lagos too. 25 to 30 Lagos. And I want to test for, I guess, Abuja. Right? So these are different audiences that I want to test for. You can test, as you can see, as many as possible. We want to test for 4 different audiences. This location, only women within this age bracket, only men and women, I guess. It's women and women. And this is only men. So for this emo, let me see other age bracket that's even much higher. Okay. So I have some that I have before here. So I'm just trying to see if I have one long age bracket for Lagos. 35 to 45. Lagos, women, then 25 to 45, 30 to 45. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. I actually want to change one for Lagos and try to see this age bracket. Choose my example. Okay. There are still I can test for more. There are still. Okay. So let me select another Lagos in that category, not 20 to 35 again. I want something beyond that. Okay. My better choose this Abuja. 20 for this Abuja. My better choose what do I have there? What do I have 20 something? 22 to 40. Yeah. Okay. This is large. Okay, 20 to 40. And this Lagos. Let me check the Port Harcourt again. Port Harcourt, so 35. Let's see, we have another Port Harcourt here that has a long range. This is like both male and female WhatsApp. Okay, but I couldn't get to understand. I didn't name that properly. See why you need to name your audiences properly. So here, this is female. This email is too good. Female, yes, yes, we have female taking this out. Good. Lagos, I would prefer Lagos as a 35. Yeah. Right? So at this point, I would prefer Lagos, Lagos that is beyond 35 selection. This Lagos is just 25 to 30. So, welcome, Loretta. So, I will tell Lagos that is much more than 30. So, let me see. Lagos 25 to 35. Let me see if I have something to 45 for Lagos. These are different audiences that we created yesterday. So I think what I have here is 5 to 34, 35 to 45. Right. Of this, one, two, three, four, four different kinds of audiences. All created yesterday from audience inside by make your that we created yesterday. So all you have so again you can rewatch the replay. So, uh, so basically I'm testing for four audiences. Testing for Port Harcourt, Women, Imo, Lagos, and Abuja. So right now, uh, I've connected the WhatsApp. So when you watch the video, you see how I connect the WhatsApp number here, right? So move forward here. So I want Facebook to bid the proper lowest cost bid for me. I can decide to say, oh, Facebook start from 65 naira, but I want something that will give us optimal delivery. So I would like Facebook to charge me what is proper for that. Then standard delivery simply means Facebook should not rush my money, be it as good. So we also have accelerated simply means you want Facebook to finish your money. So I don't want to do daily budget. I want to do lifetime budget. So for example, now if I want to run this for 4 days, I can run for 3 days, one day. But I will not advise anyone to run for 1 day. One day. Like I told you yesterday, allow the ads to learn from your ads. I let Facebook ad manager to actually make from your ads. So I will say 4 days, and these 4 days, because I have so many splits, the system said 33,000. But I can say no with power of 72 for the first. I can say no, give me 10,000, can you do 10,000? So this might reach to around 62 or something. Yeah. So I can decide to, I'm trying to see if I can remove one. Okay. Yeah. I'm trying to see if I can remove one of the. Anyway, there's no need to remove one of the audiences because that also depends on the charge. But I want this to get to at least 65. Let me try 2,000 naira there. Yeah, correct. Right? 2,000 naira. Then I'll say 20. Still waiting for it to load. That's almost finished loading. Yeah, it is. It is. So once it's finished loading here right now, all I need to do is confirm because I'm starting WhatsApp description. So this is how the video is expected to play on Facebook. Then this is how it's supposed to be on Facebook. Then on Instagram, this is how it's expected to display on Instagram. Then I can do confirm. And then hopefully there's no string of error this time around. One error from shooting schedule isn't consistent with radio. If you then schedule. Schedule talk to the name when you want to run the ads to 4 days. So let me check this advance schedule. Say start today. I don't understand what you mean by consistent. Let me press it. I said start today. So today is today is 16. This is 11. So I can say 12. I guess this is some of the 1,000 budget, part-time budget. 1,000. Let's see what it now. Fine. Anytime you see stuff like schedule, that's to do with your the day you want to run the ads. So that's actually the problem, right? So sometimes it will happen like that. When you add something like creative, something in the image you are using, maybe you need to crop it to the recommended optimized. So when you have things like budget or schedule, the thing is the system still not getting when you want the ad to start running and when you want it to end. That's what I'm going to do. So like this now, this ad is scheduled immediately is active, you see the ad is active. So this is how simple to run ad that go to WhatsApp. I mean